Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this bomb citrus powder that you can literally put on anything. I got some lemons, I got some limes, and I got some oranges, and I'm gonna just slice those up. This is a perfect garnish for seafood, desserts. You can put it on your plate. You can just sprinkle it on some fruit, some ice cream. You can literally do anything with it. It's so good, so aromatic, and so colorful. Now you can see here, I've got them all in separate bowls. My limes, my oranges, and my lemons. It looks so pretty. It's so bright. It's so colorful. It just reminds me of summer. Now I used what fruit I had on deck. There's no specific measurement. You could use one orange, one lemon, one lime, if you were just doing this for dinner. But here you're going to see me just arrange them on this sheet for a dehydrator. Now you can do this in an oven. Don't fret. You don't have to have a dehydrator to dehydrate your fruit. I just was at work and we have one. If I was at home, I would dry these out in the oven at about 200 degrees, and I would crack the oven door just a little bit and just let them kind of slow roast in there for a couple of hours, and you'll get the same results. So now you're gonna see me just lay those out. Those look like cucumbers, but those are limes. You're just gonna see me lay those out and transfer them in the dehydrator, and I just let those dehydrate overnight, so for 24 hours. I came back the next day and this is what I got. The oranges were perfect. My lemons and my limes probably could have went for a little less time, but that's okay. These were like super satisfying to break. Check this out. You want to hear some ASMR? Check this out. Now here I have a spice grinder at work, so I just used that because I wanted a more powdery texture. You could put this in a blender or a food processor, or you could give this a rough chop with your knife, however you prefer. Yeah. Now you'll just see me here dump all my powders in a bowl because I wanted to combine them. You can leave yours separate if you want to. It literally looks like golden powder, like golden dust, and just sprinkle this someone on like poof. Like you could definitely add some glitter to this if you wanted to and like make this shimmer. Like you could really do some really cool stuff with this. Design a dessert. For example, I have a square dessert right in front of me. I'm going to take something with a straight edge. I have these transfer sheets. Can't really see them, but they're straight. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Here's the final product. I threw some blackberries and a mint leaf on there and make it look pretty. But please comment down below if you tried this or you thinking about trying it, and let me know how you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe as well, and see you guys next time.